GotInstrumentals.com.
Money, I want that Federal Reserve money. Money, I want that Federal Reserve money. Money, I want that Federal Reserve money. Money, I want that Federal Reserve. I want that Federal Reserve money, so I can run this country. Pick out the presidents I want to run it. Vote him in secrecy, repeatedly under eyes of dummies. Blackmail the Congress monthly, keep this economy crumbling. I want that Federal Reserve money, controlling scandals, driving the budget at my 6, holding the handle, telling you what to see on TV and media channels. I want that Federal Reserve money, plot and gamble. I want that Federal Reserve money, few billion hundreds, meeting Brazilian prime ministers, New Zealand funded, pay the Secretary of State for the money laundering, government hungry, and now the United States be hungry. I want that Federal Reserve money. Money, I want that Federal Reserve money. Money, I want that Federal Reserve money. Money, I want that Federal Reserve money. I want that Federal Reserve money, no people power. You might can get a loan from me, interest is every hour. It's raining dollar showers, big bank and chew up cowards. There is no government or haters that can take from ours. I want that Federal Reserve money, stuff my pockets. I own the IRS poppy, so the fuck gon' audit. Y'all rapping about Bugattis, taking bitch to old Charlies. I want that Rothschild paper, you can keep the red carpet. I want that Federal Reserve money, not Jay-Z cheddar. I'm talking $3 trillion or better, $1 million stamp per letter. Y'all withdraw from ATMs, I withdraw the teller, pay to put laws together. I want that Rockefeller. I want that Federal Reserve money. Money, I want that Federal Reserve money. Money, I want that Federal Reserve money. Money, I want that Federal Reserve money. I want that Federal Reserve money, yes we can. I let you have your cars and houses, but I want the land. And if you're in my pocket, I cut off your hand. I'm talking Bilderberg money, Alan Greenspan. I want that Federal Reserve money, extend my range. Give me them big faces, then stay out my lane. And since y'all wanted Obama, y'all can split the change. Now think about what I just said, ain't that a little strange? I want that Federal Reserve money to ease my pain. The world scream my name, traveling overseas on planes. I want that Federal Reserve money, let me explain. Anything less than this, nigga, you're not the same. I want that Federal Reserve money. Money, I want that Federal Reserve money.